Alright, so it is Sunday, the 19th of November. It's 10:15 in the morning. And I'm going to do a weekly review on the trading setups I've done, what I've done good, what I've done bad. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. So this week was quite a shocking week, to be honest. Like, I think it was one of those weeks where it caught a lot of people off guard. And it's just one of those rough weeks where news really just drove the particularly the dollar down. So as you can see, like I initially had said, okay, we're gonna come around off here and then probably have a bounce here, or if we do, we'll have a bounce up into here and then go. This looks very ugly at the moment. So what I'm leaning towards is probably just a bounce here. To be honest, I'm not here to guess anything because this looks really really bad now. If we look on the weekly, yeah, I mean, it's not much to go off. You could say it can come into this level. I'm not really getting a good read. If I had to say though, I would say this level here really. Like if we tap into here and reverse, um, we have been channeling up for a long time. So if we reverse like that, it's not the biggest thing. If we pull back into, the only thing I'm saying is like there's nothing really clear and obvious. But yeah, I wouldn't mind that level. But again, if we're gonna just dumb it down, this level, if not, then I'd say potentially this level, but I'd have more conviction if we go off that level, basically. Just keeping it simple. Maybe we just round off like that. But not trying to nav catch. Let's see what I meant for the pairs. This is what I was trying to say as well. So obviously the dollar has tanked significantly the last week. So we've had all that. Yeah, so a very, very, very bearish candle, right? Very bearish candle. But we haven't necessarily seen that translate into the pairs, is what I'm trying to say. So say GU, yeah. That does not look that bad. Obviously we've had a big uptrend, yeah, but what I'm trying to say is oh wait, let me see, yeah. This is a big like level. And I had anticipated basically to say, okay, this is gonna go to resistance again. Like so it's gonna support, resistance, support, breaks down, and resistance again, yeah? Now, looks like it's going to be support. Cool, that's fine. But how the dollar tanked, I would have expected this to be like here by now. And it's translating into, say, USD CAD, yeah? That's still pretty strongish as well. Like, it's still above this quarterly high, previous quarterly high. Although it's not really respected it that much. It's just, yeah, Euro USD. This one as well, like, I don't know. To me, just first sight, it just looks like it's just going to deviate. Show an initial rejection, then it's going to come back and then come down. That's just me. That's what I think so far. Nevertheless, though, like, I entered very good position. I think my initial entry was about here-ish. Cool. This is definitely taking it out. I think I lost a bit as well. I had a couple positions in here. So really, if we do pull back and hold, and then we come here, break, and then hold like a support level or whatever, then I flipped along. But really, I'm looking for it to just come down, break down, and then come, hopefully align it with dollar. It's just about timing and execution really for this, because like I said, I think a lot of the pairs are at macro levels. That's why I've had like high conviction to say, okay, the dollar is just gonna roll over and start going bullish again. But it hasn't been the case so far. And now further with my analysis, it's saying, okay, the pairs haven't showed that much strength with the dollar. Again, it just leads me to say, okay, the dollar's just gonna reverse again soon, you know. That's my thought process behind this soon. Anyway, sorry. So yeah. So there's other examples, of course. Let's say AUD USD. What do you call it? What the hell? What's wrong with that? Just missing a bunch of price action. What? Anyway, yeah, it's at good resistance as well. So I did say as well, a breakout is inevitable, but again, if it was to come, I just think it deviates, to be honest. It's not one of those things where like, oh, okay. Yeah, because it's just like, it looks pretty weak. Yeah, I don't know. Another thing, I'm not trying to like marry a bias as well. New Zealand was another one as well. Hasn't showed it like crazy strength with the dollar dropping off. Yeah, it did do this, but now it's facing macro-ish resistance, like a big resistance level. It should go down. Like what I'm trying to say is my biases haven't changed, but because it was just like a news driven week, I guess, for the dollar. Like we had PMIs, not PMI, sorry, CPI. What else do we have? FOMC, I think. And then it just tanked. But I would really think that it comes up here or there. I'll just be keeping an eye on it basically. But I don't think I've done anything particularly wrong. I didn't lose heavy, you know. I kept good risk management, so that's important. I don't think in hindsight I could have done anything. I think there was one, was it Euro GBP? Nah. Yeah, so like literally I don't think any of the pairs made a significant move up like throughout the week that made it sensible for me to take the trade, you know. So pairs might have moved up, but it wouldn't have made sense for me to make the trade. Yeah, I don't know what the hell wrong with these fucking charts. It's missing data. But yeah, I think maybe I could have taken this up, but nah. Yen pairs, I'll just quickly look at that. Yeah, this is a cool deviation. Maybe if you retest, I'll short it there. I'll see what the yen is saying. But yeah, actually that won't be in bad trade, you know. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I'll look at that maybe potentially. What was the other yen pair? Yeah, this one surely just. I want some deviation, man. That would be nice. But yeah, if the dollar does, if the dollar does fucking ball like I've been saying, then yeah, that'll be alright. And the USD CAD, this looks so shit. I mean, maybe just know. All my gut feeling is saying, yeah, the dollar is going to pull through soon. But I mean, it's so much reliance on this shitty index. Like, it looks bad right now. But yeah, let's just keep playing it level to level, really. I'm not trying to do it. But I think I've just been dragging this video on ES as well. It's been in this little consolidation now for a minute. I'd expect just a little tap coming. But yeah, it doesn't look like I'll get that. But